Our lesson is work, power, and energy. Okay, so before going to work, we need to know about force. As in earlier classes, we have come to know about force. That force is an external agency by applying which we can do several kind of work. Okay, so let us consider a particular work. Like there is a box which is at the point A. Now we apply or we push. Just so push is a kind of force. So after applying a particular force, the body moves from A to B from the straight line. Okay, from a straight line A to B. So this should be the displacement. So work is said to be done when on application of force there will be a displacement. It means simply that if we apply a force on a particular body, then if the body moves through a certain distance, then we can say that work is done. What do you mean by positive work? Positive work. Positive work is a kind of work which is in this case when we apply a force on the direction of the application of the force, the displacement occurs. Suppose the body is here and if we apply force in this direction and if the body also moves in this direction, then this is known as positive work done. Okay, now next scenario is negative work done. Negative. What do you mean by negative work? Suppose there is a body, I am giving the same example again. We apply a force, the body moves in this direction. Now think about a particular force which we know, the frictional force. The frictional force acts along this direction. So the body is moving along this direction and the frictional force acts along this direction. This kind of force is known as negative work because application of force is in this direction and the body moves along this direction. So with respect to this frictional force, the work done of the body is negative, but with respect to this force, it is positive. Okay, clear? Next, zero work. Zero work. So what is zero work? Work is equals to force into displacement. Zero work, in case of zero work done, W is equals to F into S, force into displacement. So the magnitude of the force and displacement you will multiply and you will get the value of work. Now in case of zero work, displacement is zero. Okay, like suppose a body is here and it moves in a circular orbit and comes here. So its initial position and final position coincide. So there is no displacement. So though the body is acting with a particular force, but still the work done is zero because the displacement is zero. Next comes the vital one, that is no work force. No work force is a force, or no work force rather is a work which occurs when the displacement is perpendicular to the direction of the force. Suppose a man is carrying a bag or a suitcase and moving in a horizontal path. At that time, suppose the suitcase is here, okay, and the suitcase is moving here in this direction, and the gravitational force is acting on the body. So the angle between the gravitational force and the displacement is 90 degree, and when this type of situation occurs, then it is known as no work force and its value becomes zero. Why its value becomes zero? To know that, we need to know something about trigonometry. Okay, so suppose consider there is a body, okay, and the body is subjected to a force in this direction F. Now if the displacement occurs in this direction, so the angle between the force and displacement is theta. Okay. Now in this case, W work done should be F into S work done is equals to F into S, and this is equals to F into S into cos theta, because the portion of force which act along the displacement is F cos theta. Now what is cos theta? Cos theta is equals to perpendicular, cos theta is equals to base by hypotenuse. Suppose in the base, in the direction of the base, F1 force is acting. So F1 should be equals to, so cos theta should equals to F1 by F. So F1 is equals to F cos theta, where F1 is the component of F force along displacement, that is in the direction of the displacement. Okay, now when in that example, in the case of that suitcase, when the suitcase moves in this direction and gravity acts in this direction, so this angle is 90 degree, and at that time it will be F into S into cos 90, and value of cos 90 is 0. Value of cos 90 is 0. So it will be F S into 0 will be 0. So no work force is the force when a force is acting on a particular body, and if the displacement is the perpendicular with the force, displacement is the perpendicular with the force, then it is known as no work force. Okay, now from this equation what we know, that work is equals to force into displacement. Okay, so force into displacement, W is equals to Fs. Now what should be the dimension? Dimension should be force. What is the dimension of force? M L T to the power minus 2 into L. So the dimension should be, M will be M L square T to the power minus 2. So this will be the dimension of work, dimension of work done. Okay. Next, we need to know something about, suppose power, work is done, next power. So power, what do you mean by power? Power means rate of doing work is known as power. Suppose there are two students, okay, one is Rajorshi, another one is that Devjit. Okay, now they are provided with 2 plates of biryani. Okay, now Rajorshi finish these 2 plates in 15 minutes, whereas Devjit finish it in 10 minutes. Then whose power is more? Yes, power of Devjit is more, because Devjit do the same amount of work in minimum time, that is in 10 minutes. So power is equals to work by time. So here work is to having biryani, and time is this 15 minutes and 10 minutes. So the person who finish the work faster having more power,